This hospital in Islamabad is struggling to cope with the number of COVID-19 patients being admitted to its wards. Infection rates across Pakistan have increased significantly in the last 2 weeks.
Second wave is very serious. Hospitals are once again packed. It's very difficult to cope with the crisis when the healthcare system is already so fragile.
The government has ruled out a second national lockdown. Shops, restaurants and factories can stay open but must follow social distancing measures, and weddings are restricted to a 2-hour gathering, but up to 300 guests can attend. Prime Minister Imran Khan has banned his PTI party from holding public rallies and asked others to do the same. Opposition parties accuse him of playing politics.
The ban on political rallies is not acceptable. We categorically reject the government's decision and our rallies will happen as scheduled.
Daily infections in Pakistan peaked at more than 6,800 in June. That number fell to a low of 213 in August and has stayed below 700 for most of the last 3 months. Now it's back above 2,000. People are worried about how they'll cope.
During the previous lockdown, our businesses were destroyed. Now we hear on TV the second wave is more dangerous. What is the government doing for us? They waste time arguing with opposition parties instead of caring for the people.
The government says it will decide next week whether to shut schools. Teachers say they're doing their best to ensure students are safe.
Their
masks are checked as well as their temperatures. The second wave is spreading rapidly, so we've divided our classes into 2 groups. Group A come in the morning and Group B in the evening. That way we can ensure social distancing and avoid any spread.
The Prime Minister says he's worried about the number of people being admitted to hospitals and is urging people to wear masks in public and avoid crowds to prevent the second wave of coronavirus being worse than the first. Victoria Gatenby, Al Jazeera.